Hi, everybody. Oh, so many news to say, so many things to share. And I realized I skipped a week of recording the vlog. So I thought I'll record a video now, give you a little update on what's been happening. To be honest, what's weird, and I realized the other day, is that like every week I come up with new ideas, new plans, new things, and I try it, and then I decide, actually, you know what, I'm gonna go a different route. And I never used to do that, but now I'm in this like flowy state where I just kind of go with the flow. If I feel like doing this, I do that. If I feel like doing something else, I do something else. And it mainly is about many things, work and plans and travel and all sorts of things. I am right now in America with my boyfriend, and some of you know I've been doing long distance now from October, and it's definitely hard. I don't like long distance relationships, but we're really making it work, and we're pretty much spending all of our time together. Either I'm living here in America and then he lives there in Mexico and Playa with me. So it's kind of been a crazy journey, and I just got back from Costa Rica. My boyfriend took me away for a surprise trip, and I've never been to Costa Rica, so it's kind of been like incredible surprise. It was like Valentine's Day, it was my birthday. It was very romantic, and he literally planned the whole thing, from flights to the most incredible hotel I've ever stayed in, to like everything, to restaurants, to food, to trips, and the whole shebang. So I'm just like feeling very like lucky and grateful that I have somebody who is just so incredible. And honestly, it's just so I don't even know how to explain all the feelings that I feel. I just feel like I've wanted something for so long. I wanted to find a partner that's gonna be so many things that I value and appreciate, and literally it's there, so I definitely believe manifestation works. And I've been writing down in my little diary for the last probably 5 or 6 years everything that I want to happen in my life. And if you understand how manifestation works, it's like, it's not just what you want, it's also what type of person you are to have that. And so everything we get in life, every person we meet, everything that happens to us, hard situations, easy situations, work situations, friend situations, lover situations, everything is pretty much a mirror of what you are right now and where you are right now. And everything happens for a reason. Everything happens on this like wavelength of telling you and showing you where you can improve and work on. And sometimes it's really painful, right? Sometimes it's just so freaking painful. And in that moment when it's like that dark and horrible, you can't really see a way out. But I've just kind of realized over the last years, like everything that's been happening, wasn't happening to me, was happening for me. And yeah, I'm actually genuinely very grateful to every single experience, even though it hurts like a lot. It did. Now obviously I'm in a completely different world, I would say, something that I've wanted for so long, and everything's just happening. It's like almost like a dream that you've always knew it's gonna happen and you wanted it, and now it's actually happening. So I guess today's video is really just to encourage everybody to get onto higher frequencies and dream as much as you can. Write the goals that you want to happen, write your dreams, make sure that you really believe in them, that you put energy in there. And even if things feel really hard, even if you're going through tough times, just remember that it will pass. It's one of those things, like, it's so hard to remember that in that moment, that this time will pass, and whatever happens is meant to happen, right? So I am basically right now in America trying to adapt to this lifestyle, but I do actually really like this town. It's very beautiful. It is a bit cold. I did not sign up for the cold, but things you do for the other half. And yeah, I'm just gonna be traveling back and forth, and there's just so many changes in my life in general, and things that are about to happen. I don't even know like how to put everything into, you know, a short video. It's almost like impossible. But one thing is that I have picked a deadline for my book. A lot of you know that I was going to launch my book last year, and actually I have finished it. But at that moment, you know, I was still, I guess I wasn't like 100% healed, and I wasn't 100% understanding the vision and like why things happened the way they happened. So my ending was like a little bit cut short, because I was like, well, I'm gonna write a second book with my good happy ending. And then literally within a month, you know, I met my person, and it's like crazy how like everything's just changed so fast. And it's incredible when you meet the right person, how easy everything is, how you don't have any negative feelings, no anxiety. You feel chosen, you feel loved, you feel everything you wanted to feel. And it's honestly, I can't describe this feeling. It's like basically I'm in love. So now with given that, that's why the ending of my book is all changing. And in fact, my whole book is now going to change a little bit. I talked a lot about my story, about, you know, what I had to overcome and people and situations that came into my life. But I realized that that's not really so important anymore. And I want to rewrite the book in a way which is going to actually still share my story, but will also help people to reprogram their brain, reprogram their programs, change their mindset, and really get onto this other side that I'm in now. And it's taken me, like, I would say much longer than I planned to cross over into this state. And still, even sometimes I go back to my old patterns, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, what am I doing? Like, no, get back, leave the suffering. So I guess the main goal is to really, really help people end suffering and this constant loop of, you know, why things happening to you, and changing your mindset that it is happening for you, and that everything that's happening to you right now, even if it's the worst thing ever, there is something in there. And that's what I want to write about. And so I'm rewriting slightly my book, rewriting my whole ending. And I'm probably not going to publish a second book. I was thinking maybe I need a second book to really show people how I managed to do it, but it started to happen already. Everything's happening already, and it's happening fast. And this year is my year. I'm a dragon. It's 2024, and I don't know how much or what I want to believe into that, but it's going to be a big year for me. I feel it. I know it. I've seen everything in my visions, and it's kind of really cool, you know, when you see things in your visions, and whenever you visualize your life, which is an excellent exercise to do on a daily basis, or at least once a week, you know, just imagine who you want to be, who is that person, your future you, if you could have anything and anything, right? And then feel it, right? Like you feel it in your heart, you feel it in your soul. And once you feel it, then you know that's already happened. And then when it actually happens, you just have to stay in that gratitude, right? So yeah, that's kind of an update on me. So we have completely made a plan on Ali's Yummy Food as well, and the online cooking school is going to keep running. I'm going to launch 2 more courses this year, 2 new courses. That's what I'm working on. And then from May, I'm dedicating myself fully to writing my book and creating a new channel. Some of you already know I have a new channel, so if you haven't subscribed to it, go ahead and do it. I will start probably posting there more a bit later. But it's all going to be about mindset and growth and reprogramming, and basically helping you to get through something that I had to get through, and really end the suffering and live a happy, incredible life that you are in control of, because you are essentially a creator. You choose your states, you choose how you want to react and feel every single day, and how you want to be treated, right? And I think I've just had so many lessons, and I'm still on this journey, you know, don't get me wrong. It might look and sound like everything is great, but I'm still going through so many processes. I still have traumas and I still have triggers and things do still happen. I'm just very lucky that, you know, my boyfriend, my partner is so emotionally aware and understanding that we're actually growing together. We're actually, you know, improving our lives together. Who's here? Look, I have a little friend. Come here. Tori, come here. Say hi. Say hi. So I have a really cute dog. It's not my dog, it's my boyfriend's dog, but now it's my dog too. And yeah, I forgot what I was saying. She distracted me. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yes, you are. You are. We just went for a long walk. And I'm just gonna go and cook dinner for my lovely chefy skills that I haven't used in a while. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to record this video, share with you how, you know, by just one decision, by making one simple decision, which sounds simple, but it's not simple, you can have a completely different reality and live in a different reality of your world. And you control your emotions, you control feelings and how you react to stuff. And yeah, I will talk a lot more about this in my new channel, in my book and everything. And I'm just so excited, you know, to help so many people. And this now finally feels right, because I didn't know what to talk about exactly, like which specific scenario or story I wanted to share and how I can resonate and talk about it over and over again. And now everything's making sense, you know. It's almost like everything's starting to fall into like little pieces in my head. And I'm just so excited for this year. Oh, and yeah, enjoy this video. Let me know how you feel. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.